Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. Today I'd like to show you the manuals that are included with Stata 18. Stata 18 includes over 18,000 pages of documentation in PDF format, including manuals for customizable tables, Bayesian analysis, time series, multi-level mixed effects models, and much more. You can open the manuals from the Help menu, or you can go directly to an entry by clicking the title at the top of the Help file. Locating a topic is easy with the clickable table of contents or the expandable bookmarks. You can even search for key words. The clickable section headers below the title let you navigate within each entry, and many sections include clickable links to subsections. If you would like to learn more, you can download the Stata 18 manuals at our website. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.